Nowadays, people with a twisted mind may believe that it is impossible to improve on one's appearance with anything other than genetics. However, this is simply not true. Through look maxing, there are many actions that can be taken to improve one's physical appearance. Change is the only constant in life. No one possesses all of the great characteristics. We all deserve what we have. But if you want to achieve more and better your existing situation, you must first improve who you are. We will tell you the ultimate guide to self-improvement for men who are looking to upgrade their lives today. We're only human, so we'll make mistakes, succumb to our flaws, and stumble backwards from time to time. However, with enough focus and adequate guidance, walking along the route to becoming a better man in life will be easier, and we can make steady progress over time. It's always better to try than not to. Number 1. Accepting and loving yourself is a skill that must be learned. Begin by recognizing your skills and putting them to good use while working to improve your weaknesses. Accepting and loving oneself requires developing self-compassion and self-respect. Always value and admire yourself, your unique personality, and your abilities. Take care of yourself on emotional, physical, and spiritual health, and surround yourself with individuals who value and promote your own development. Number 2. Be willing to learn new things. If you truly want to grow and improve as a person, you must be willing to learn new things. Be willing to learn new things in general, such as a new language, a new skill, or a piece of new information about a topic that interests you. Learn from your failures, identify the cause of your failure, and try to be better by putting in more effort the next time you do it. This is the most effective technique to fine-tune your strategy so that you can achieve success in the future. Continuous learning has the added benefit of slowing down mental aging. It's a terrific way to mature as you become older. Number 3. Learn how to meditate. Self-improvement for men. We used to believe that the only method to practice meditation was to sit in the classic Buddha stance with your hands on your knees and make a few umming sounds. There are no set rules as to when and where you can meditate. It can be while you're waiting for an appointment, standing in a queue, or even in your car. There are numerous scientifically established benefits to meditation, including stress reduction, improved focus and compassion, and more. Number 4. Start a workout routine. If you don't have a regular exercise program, it can be difficult to get started. The majority of people have no idea where to begin, let alone how to begin. Yes, we can join a gym and go a few times, but without a plan, it's easy to become lost. It's all too easy to fall out of a healthy routine once you graduate from college and begin working. You either go to work, come home, or have a few drinks. And it's the same every week. Self-improvement for men. It's natural to forget about your workout regimen or strive to be more physically active as you get older, but keep in mind its value and aim to get back in shape as soon as possible. Always keep in mind the benefits of exercise for your health, well-being, and an overall healthy living lifestyle. Number 5. Spend time by yourself. You'll be surprised at how beneficial alone time can be. We develop a habit of being in the company of others. When you decide to spend time alone with yourself, though, you let your mind roam a little more. You'll also notice that you're having more conversations with yourself. Number 6. Strive for positivity. Positivity, like happiness, is a decision. You must, however, allow yourself to experience your emotions. It's fine to be sad, furious, or experience a wide range of emotions, since that's what makes us human. Allow yourself to feel these emotions and take your time to process them. But be open to seeing the bright side of things. Allow your emotions to have their say, but adjust your attitude to see the bright side of things. Number 7. Begin making plans and setting goals. Take some time to reflect on your life. This will assist you in setting significant personal and professional goals. These objectives will provide meaning to every action you take. Then begin arranging your day, week, or even year around these objectives. You'll notice that your life is becoming more pleasurable and streamlined, with no wasted time. Make sure that your personal and professional goals are both vital to you. These objectives will keep you motivated when you face setbacks, mental blocks, or down days. Make sure your to-do list is in line with your objectives. This will free up time for relaxation and enjoyment, which are essential for making every moment of your life meaningful. Number 8. Don't give in to the pressure. As a man, you may be confronted with difficult and daunting situations regularly. You must remain calm and composed rather than being frightened, disturbed, terrified, or crumbling under pressure. Make the most of these unexpected conditions to learn, grow, and improve. Research has already proven that people who can remain calm under duress are more liked, respected, and looked up to. Number 9. Be a man who honors his commitments. Others will respect and trust a man who honors his commitments. People do not appreciate men who lie, exaggerate, deceive, or fail to follow through on their promises. Always remember to only make promises you can keep, and if you can't, speak the truth right away. Number 10. Look after your mental health. Make this year the time that you take charge of your mental health and get a wellness checkup. What do I mean by this? Well, it's not just about seeing a doctor or therapist. It's about taking the time to reflect on your mental health and make sure you are doing all you can to keep yourself feeling well and balanced. Take some time each day to do something that nurtures your mental and emotional well-being. This could include mindfulness activities such as meditation and deep breathing. Writing in a journal or completing a gratitude list helps you stay positive and mindful of the good things in your life. Reaching out for support from family, friends, or professionals when needed. Taking part in some physical activities with your friends. Doing so will help you develop healthier habits and overall resilience. It's important to recognize when you are feeling overwhelmed or stressed and take measures to manage it. This could include scheduling in time for yourself, staying active, and taking part in activities that bring you joy. Finally, don't forget that self-care is not an indulgence. It's an investment in your mental health. Dedicate some time to looking after yourself each day, and you will be more likely to feel better for longer. Number 11. Stop consuming alcohol. Consider the way drinking is portrayed on television. Characters like Tyrion Lannister on Game of Thrones are high-functioning alcoholics, but their addictions only serve to make them more lovable. Despite the fact that alcohol is a dangerously addictive substance, society prefers to pretend that it is not. Number 12. Create a solid nighttime routine. Sleep is undoubtedly the most crucial element of self-care, yet it is also the most neglected. Creating a bedtime regimen will not only help you charge your batteries, but it will also help you feel refreshed, maintain a healthy weight, enhance energy and productivity, and keep your stallion-like appearance. If you have difficulties falling and staying asleep, or if you have racing thoughts at night, you'll want to discover techniques to lessen tension, anxiety, and restrict external forces. The key to having an excellent sleeping environment is to create a pleasant setting. Please take note that personal development is important. It has the power to change your life and allow you to have, do, or be whatever you want. It implies the difference between a life of abundance, prosperity, and happiness, and a life of poverty and sorrow. The reason for this is that personal development focuses on changing your worldview, behavior, philosophy, and beliefs. At the end of the day, everything, and we mean everything, begins in the mind. While this powerful business tool known as our mind is at our fingertips, we still need to remember that in order to run well and stay sharp, we need to do some routine maintenance on it from time to time. This routine maintenance includes things like meditating, journaling, disconnecting from the internet, and giving yourself a digital break. It is important to keep in mind that becoming a glowing example of a man is a process, not an endpoint. It requires consistent effort and patience, but the end results will be well worth it. See you in the next one.